Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes. My dear students, today we are going to give you a very big update as Telangana board has also cancelled the class 10th board exams for this academic year. Just before we have seen the CBSE board has cancelled the class 10th board exams. Now a very big update and a big information for all the students of Telangana region. As you can see here, the Telangana board has cancelled the TS SSC class 10th exams. Okay, and also the TS inter class 12th exams has postponed it as India's second COVID wave worsens. This decision has taken by the Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. A very big update for all the class 10 students, and this decision, the decision of class 12th will be taken in the first week of June, as you can see here on the screen. And the very important information for all the class 10th and class 12th Telangana students, this announcement of Telangana board exam 2021 has been made by the special chief secretary to the government Chitra Ramachandran on April 15, 2021. Okay, and he further added that class 10 students of Telangana would be evaluated on the basis of an objective criteria which will be developed by Telangana SSC board soon. Based on the objective criteria, based on certain terms and conditions, the class 10 students results will be declared. And one more important information, as the decision regarding the TS interclass 12th exams will be taken in the first week of June after reviewing the COVID-19 situation. By seeing the situation, then they will declare the class 12th timetable. Okay, the state has also decided to promote intermediate first year students without examination. This is also one more very big update for all the Telangana student. The intermediate students of first year will be promoted without exams. However, exams may get held whenever possible at a future date. The official statement of Telangana board exam 2021 has given the details on the class 10th objective criterion will be announced with the due time. In a very short time they will give you the details how the results will be declared. If any students are not satisfied, they can take the exam, they can take one more chance once if the COVID situation improves, as similar to the CBSE class 10 board students. Okay, if you people are not satisfied, again you can take a chance and you can show your talent and you can improve your marks. And Telangana student must keep a check on the official website for more updates on Telangana board exam 2021. I hope this video you all have liked. In case if you have liked our video and our sessions and the classes, do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible with your all friends, so that they also will get to know if any students in between you who belongs to Telangana board, definitely it will be very much helpful for them. Okay, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and ask even others also to subscribe and click the bell icon. Hope this video is very much helpful for you all. Thank you. Keep watching. Take care.